All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to Waxmaster Breaks. We've got a box of Pantheon football 2017 going down tonight. We're about to rip one of them. Here's your teams. All right, that being said, anybody on the live feed, go ahead and pick which box you want to open, left or right. First one to show up in the comments, that's the one we're going with. Alrighty, so we're going to take this one away out of the picture. We're going to get right to that left one. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. May a nasty be upon us. Definitely heavy. Here we go. Good luck to everybody in the break. All right, here we go. First card. Milestone Scripts. Carson Wentz led the rookies in 2016. That's numbered to 3. Boom. That's a nasty card. Good way to start it off. Carson Wentz numbered to 3 on card auto. Beautiful card. For the Philadelphia Eagles, that's going to TC Casey. Nice hit, my man. It's a nice looking card. Great way to start the break off. All right, here we go. Next card. For the Titans, Taywan Taylor, rookie auto. Neophyte calligraphy. That's numbered to 149. Let's see what that's going to in just a second. Taywan Taylor for the Titans. That's going to Frank Nolfo. Nice hit, Frank. Next card. Ooh, another nice one. Milestone Scripts. Jordan Howard. On card auto. That's numbered to 99. For the Chicago Bears. Nice looking cards. That's going to Frank Nolfo. Nice hit, Frank. Nice hit, my man. Next card. Ooh, this is nice looking. Trevor Simon and Von Miller, dual patch. Let me focus here, webcam. There we go. That's numbered to 25. Nice hit. For the Broncos, that's going to Frank Nolfo. Nice hit, Frank. These are nice looking cards. Kind of remind me of Museum. Next card. Nasty. Deshaun Watson, jumbo jersey. Numbered to 99 for the Texans. That's going to TC Casey. Nice hit, TC. Next card. Marlon Mack for the Indianapolis Colts. Nasty patch. That's going to TC Casey. That's numbered to 25. Nice hit, sir. Good looking card. And our last card. So this is numbered 45 of 50. Tyrod Taylor, metal plate. It's pretty sweet. 45 of 50. Nice looking card for the Buffalo Bills. That's going to TC Casey. Nice hit, TC. Crushed it. All right, guys. Here's a recap of all our hits. Tyrod Taylor, metal card, numbered to 50. Marlon Mack for the Indianapolis Colts, number 25. Deshaun Watson, jumbo jersey, numbered to 99. Trevor Siemian, Von Miller, dual patch, numbered to 25. Jordan Howard, milestone scripts, auto, numbered to 99. Taywan Taylor, patch, auto, numbered to 149. And Carson Wentz, milestone scripts, auto, numbered 2 of 3. Nice hit. All right, guys. That was our break. Got some nice hits out of that. We're going to definitely check out some more of the Pantheon. If you guys are watching this on YouTube and you're not part of Waxmaster Breaks, check us out on Facebook. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, guys. Everybody have a great night. Be safe until the next time. I'll see you soon.